学季一定要听这些东西，满满一大袋，全都是有关熊熊的文具，奶萌奶萌的，还有4个小便签，还有超可爱的迷你线圈本，小动物的贴纸，棕色系的中性笔套镯，各种香喷喷的面包小熊，我真的爱了。还有配套的笔芯，才32，那么多东西真的赚死了，都给我去充。还有一个 QQ 的小熊笔筒，可爱死了。然后这一家也是我无限回购的，它的颜值这个笔袋就很适合春天，容量超级大，可以翻过来当笔筒放在桌上，评价实用还高颜。他家的草稿本也是绝了，黑暗清新的颜色，一本非常厚，可以平摊书写无压力，纸张厚实且顺滑。还有这个学生党必备的错题本，胶圈是软的不会硌手，最后是做笔记必备的笔，全部色系都有敲实用，再搭配荧光笔，轻轻松松做出完美笔记。同色系的笔做笔记真的绝了，拿来背单词什么的也很合适。贫民窟女孩赶紧去 get。32那么多的文具福袋你见过吗？这都是论斤买的，这种批发的感觉谁懂？这个日记本绝了，童话风可爱，内页还是全部都是彩色的，几块钱你值得拥有，一套更划算。还有他家迷你的日记本，谁能不爱小兔子？31本质量嘎嘎好，感觉买本就真的会上瘾。小清新风格我也爱，主要是它才1.5啊，纸质也还行。这一套云朵的更名氛围感什么的拉满了，然后是我爱的3个狗，库洛米宝贝、妈妈波波，书写狗哥也好米，背面都好看，谁懂啊？入口是草稿纸，和砖头一样厚实，还送了硬石封贴纸，可以自己 DIY， 有母鸡加在位了，随写随撕便方便。一起来 get。外箱本子都是论斤买的，
你的宝贝只能自己宠了。你的拍纸本打样了，一共有4个颜色：少女心粉色，猫猫耳朵的布丁好乖，清清凉凉的蓝色，像素字体很可爱，奶乎乎黄色，抓到2个可爱鬼，还有养眼绿色，小刷子卡哇，字也是很厚实，听声音就懂。120，可安心充。快说说你选哪个颜色？
Like rubber bands, others fly like shooting stars. Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. My moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim. Now seasons change so fast. Time's a river flowing queer. The future's now the past. Tick tock, the rhythm's on. Time's playing tricks again. Enjoy the minutes or in pain they never end. Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. My moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time will wait for you. In this elastic flow, each second's precious true. Clock hands spin, but time bends in this world of ours. Some days stretch like rubber bands, others fly like shooting stars. Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. My moment's forever, the next, just a blink in this elastic time.
Hey, pretty stranger, I think you look cute. Can I get your number? I wanna know you. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your fears. Nobody will notice. Let's get
baby, baby, you're my sunshine. Girl, you're everything to me. A lot of pretty faces can waste my time. But you're my dream, girl. You make flowers, girl. You make the flowers, girl. You make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels